Marie loved playing outside. One sunny afternoon, Marie was playing under a big tree. Suddenly, the sky turned gray and it started to rain. Marie didn't want to go inside. She giggled and splashed in the puddles, having so much fun. The next day, Marie woke up feeling yucky. She had a cough and runny nose. Mommy said Marie was sick because she played in the rain and got too cold. Mommy gave Marie some medicine and warm soup. Marie rested in bed all day, feeling much better. By the next day, she learned that playing in the rain isn't always a good idea.